Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to Zukhruful Quran channel. We are start our next lesson. Suratul Baqarah, ayat number 71 to 75. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال إنه يقول إنها بقرة لا ذلول تثير الأرض ولا تسقي الحرث مسلمة لا شية فيها. قالوا الآن جئت بالحق فذبحوها وما كادوا يفعلون. He says, it is a cow never trained to tell the soul nor water the fields sound, having no other color except bright yellow. They said, now you have brought the truth. So they slaughtered it, thought they were near to not doing it. Ayat number 72. وَإِذْ قَتَلْتُمْ نَفْسًا فَادَّارَأْتُمْ فِيهَا وَاللَّهُ مُخْرِجٌ مَا كُنْتُمْ تَكْتُمُونَ. And remember when you killed a man and fell into dispute among yourselves as to the crime, but Allah brought forth that which you were hiding. Ayat number 73. فَقُلْنَا اضْرِبُوهُ بِبَعْضِهَا كَذَلِكَ يُحْيِي اللَّهُ الْمَوْتَى وَيُرِيكُمْ آيَاتِهِ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَعْقِلُونَ. So we said, strike him, the dead man, with a piece of it. The cow thus Allah bring the dead to life and show you his proofs, evidence, verses, lessons, sign, revelation, so that you may understand. Ayat number 74. ثم قست قلوبكم من بعد ذلك فهي كالحجارة أو أشد قسوة. وإن من الحجارة لما يتفجر منه الأنهار وإن منها لما يشقق فيخرج منه الماء وإن منها لما يحبط من خشية الله وما الله بغافل عما تعملون. Then after that, your hearts will harden and become as stones or even worse in hardness. And indeed, there are stones out of which rivers gush forth, and indeed there are of them stones which split asunder so that water flows from them, and indeed there are of them stones which fall down for fear of Allah, and Allah is not unaware of what you do. Ayat number 75. أفتطمعون أن يؤمنوا لكم وقد كان فريق منهم يسمعون كلام الله ثم يحرفونه من بعد ما أقلوه وهم يعلمون. Do you faithful believers hope that they will believe in your religion in spite of the fact that a party of them used to hear the word of Allah, then they used to change it knowingly after they understood